Namaste, food enthusiasts! Get ready for a flavor-packed journey as we dive into the incredible history of Indian cuisine. Hit the like button if you're ready for a spicy adventure. Indian cuisine, a tapestry of flavors woven through centuries. Rooted in the ancient civilizations of the Indus Valley, Indian cooking techniques and spices date back to 7000 BCE, where culinary traditions were born. Explore the ancient cooking techniques, spices, and ingredients that formed the bedrock of Indian cuisine. Spices weren't just commodities, they were treasures traded across the globe. From the Vedic period to the Maurya and Gupta empires, each era left its mark on Indian culinary traditions. Step into the lavish kitchens of the Mughal emperors, where culinary artistry reached its zenith. From decadent biryanis to fragrant kebabs, the Mughals left an indelible mark on Indian culinary history. The Mughals brought kebabs, biryanis, and rich gravies, shaping the royal kitchens in the way India savored its spices. India is a treasure trove of regional cuisines, each with its distinct flavors and culinary techniques. From the coastal wonders of the south to the robust dishes of the north, we're about to embark on a flavorful regional exploration. Key aspects of Indian cuisine. 1. Regional diversity. India is a vast country with diverse landscapes, and this diversity is reflected in its cuisine. Each region has its own distinct culinary traditions, ingredients, and cooking styles. 2. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian delights. While a significant portion of the population is vegetarian, India also boasts a variety of flavorful non-vegetarian dishes. The diversity in vegetarian cuisine is particularly notable, with a myriad of dishes featuring lentils, vegetables, and dairy products. 3. Spices and flavors. Spices play a central role in Indian cooking. Commonly used spices include cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. The combination of these spices creates the complex and layered flavors that Indian cuisine is known for. 4. Curries. The term curry is often used to describe Indian dishes globally, but it's important to note that Indian curries are diverse and vary greatly from region to region. They can be rich and creamy or light and tangy, featuring meat, vegetables, or legumes. 5. Breads. Indian bread, such as naan, roti, and paratha, is a staple in many meals. These bread varieties are often used to scoop up flavorful curries or to accompany dishes. 6. Street food. Indian street food is renowned for its bold flavors and variety. Popular street food items include chaat, a savory snack, pani puri, vada pav, and samosas. 7. Desserts. Indian desserts, or mithai, are often rich and sweet. Common ingredients include ghee, milk, sugar, and a variety of nuts. Popular desserts include gulab jamun, jalebi, and kheer. 8. Traditional cooking methods. Tandoori cooking, where food is cooked in a clay oven, is a significant part of Indian cuisine. Tandoori dishes, such as tandoori chicken and naan, are well loved. Additionally, slow cooking and tempering tadka of spices are common techniques. 9. Cultural influences. Indian cuisine has been shaped by various historical influences, including the Mughal Empire, Persian traders, and British colonialism. These influences have contributed to the diverse range of dishes found in India today. 10. Rituals and festivals. Food is an integral part of Indian rituals and festivals. Each festival is associated with specific dishes and sweets, creating a vibrant and celebratory atmosphere. Indian cuisine, with its kaleidoscope of flavors, reflects the country's cultural and historical tapestry. Whether you're savoring the aromatic spices of a biryani, enjoying the comfort of a dal, or indulging in a sweet treat, Indian cuisine offers a culinary journey like no other. 11. Ayurvedic influence. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, has greatly influenced Indian cooking. Many Indian dishes are not only flavorful but also designed to promote health and balance, incorporating ingredients with medicinal properties. 12. Regional cuisines. India's culinary landscape can be divided into distinct regional cuisines, each with its own specialties. Examples include North Indian, known for tandoori dishes and rich curries, South Indian, famous for dosas, idlis, and coconut-based dishes, and Bengali cuisine, known for its sweet and savory fish dishes. 13. Tea culture. India has a strong tea culture, and chai, spiced tea with milk, is a ubiquitous beverage. Additionally, the southern regions are known for filter coffee, which has a distinct preparation method. Rice is a staple in many parts of India, and there's incredible diversity in rice preparations. Biryani, paleo, and khichdi are just a few examples of the varied ways rice is enjoyed. Indian street food is a world unto itself. From Mumbai's pav bhaji to Kolkata's kathi rolls, street vendors offer an array of quick bites showcasing regional flavors. Today, Indian cuisine is a vibrant tapestry, blending tradition and innovation. From aromatic spices to diverse regional specialties, the journey of Indian cuisine continues, inviting the world to savor its rich and flavorful history. Fast forward to the present day, where innovation meets tradition. We'll explore the bustling streets filled with street food sensations and witness how contemporary chefs are reimagining classic recipes with a modern twist. And there you have it, a savory expedition through the intricate history of Indian cuisine. Hit the like button and subscribe for more gastronomic content. Until next time, keep savoring the magic of Indian spices. This is History East.